today we're diving into Tangem Pay Visa, a digital wallet that's aiming to simplify your payments. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's break down what it offers and see if it's worth your time and your money. Tangem Pay Visa is designed to be a straightforward digital wallet, enabling users to manage their finances with ease. At its core, it allows you to store various cryptocurrencies and make payments directly from your digital assets. What's interesting is the seamless integration with Visa, which means you can use your crypto for everyday transactions, just like a regular debit card. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible for those who might not be tech savvy. However, the actual experience can feel a bit lacking in terms of detailed guidance on how to fully utilize all its features. For instance, while it claims to support a variety of cryptocurrencies, the specifics on which ones are available aren't entirely clear. This could leave potential users scratching their heads, especially if they have particular coins in mind. Overall, it seems like a solid concept, but some areas could definitely use more clarity for a better user experience. Let's talk about what stands out with Tangem Pay Visa. On the plus side, the ability to use crypto for everyday purchases is a huge convenience. The integration with Visa is a real win as it opens up a lot of spending options. However, there are some concerns. First, the lack of transparency regarding supported cryptocurrencies could frustrate users who expect a wider selection. Additionally, there's not much user feedback available, which raises some trust issues, especially for those cautious about digital wallets. Pricing details are also a bit murky. Without clear information on fees, potential users might be hesitant to dive in. Altogether, this platform seems better suited for casual crypto users, while more experienced individuals might find it lacking. In conclusion, Tangem Pay Visa has potential, especially for those wanting a simple way to spend crypto. However, if you're looking for a robust wallet with extensive features and clear information, you might want to explore other options. It's worth a try, but proceed with caution. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.